All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we have this magnifying light here. It's a desk lamp with a 3-selection swing arm. It's supposed to have a really big clamp, and it's for your office, soldering, doing nails, reading light, beauty, whatever. You can get it on Amazon with the link below. I'm going to actually use it like this, put it over my monitor for video reviews and stuff like that. You can see the price here. There's 2 different ones. Get the 33-inch like this one right here in the box, I believe. Or there's a large version. You can see the swing arm there. Could be used in several different ways. You got 5 color modes. So let's get this box open here. All right. This is the way it'll come to you. It's got that horizontal clamp or vertical clamp. Oh, that's pretty cool. You can do both ways. Shows you how to clamp it down. You got the light modes and the switch right on the light. That I like a lot. And it looks like this uses external power, so it'll have to be plugged in. Little thank you note there. Yep, you'll have to keep this plugged in, but I have a USB on my desk, so I probably won't need to use this, but if you don't have a USB on your desk, you will be able to have power. And here's the very large clamp. This is a large clamp, lots of grip on there too. Don't know about this portion right here, but this has a lot of grip up here. Then you have the reverse grip right here too, so that's good. You can see the locking mechanism right here. This is to keep it in the pole inside the hole there. Let's go ahead and level that out. Here is the actual light itself. I'm touching the glass already. There it is. It comes in one piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of put this together real quick on this right here on the table, and I'll show you what it's like. Okay, so I got the light hooked up, and if I look down through here, you can see how it's magnifying everything. But it's really nice. The settings and controls are all there. If I'm doing a video, it's going to shine right down on my desk like this. But the disadvantage to this portion of this light is that if in fact if you have a situation like mine, you need to set it and forget it, basically, because the controls, I have it plugged in for the USB, but the controls are on the back. The cable runs all the way down. The controls area is not up here closer to the light. But that's just my situation. But if you're planning on using it like this, just know that you'll have to get up and go to the back because the controls is next to the actual plug. It's closer to the actual USB portion. So why they chose to do it like that, I don't know, but this does move around. And it's got different settings here. I'll show you with the lights. All right, so the controls being way back here. I'm gonna go ahead and just change it. You see it's changing through the different colors. You can probably see it better on my desk there. This is more of a natural reading light. That's a LED. I think it's the different tones. You can turn it down or up. If you hold the button for the brightness, it'll go down. If you hold the brightness for the up, it'll go up. And then you power off with the bottom button. So it is nice. It's just the controls. When I set this, it needs to be where it needs to be for me. Like a more natural tone would probably be about right there. And that's full brightness. So I'd have to go to the back of my desk, make sure this is always set. And when I'm going to do a review, I would just fire it up, reach back there and fire it up. So checking the colors and accuracy of that light, it's not changing anything. So anyway, there it is, man. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is a really nice light. just make sure if you have a situation like mine, if you're going to be doing for reviews, if you plan on running it over the back of the desk area like this, the controls are down on the back. So anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.